How you guys doing? Dale from About This Love, my wife Sherelle. Join us November 15th for our Wild and Waiting.
Wow.
Oh, I felt like you was laughing at me. Stop.
So, okay.
See, okay, you say it, you said.
Okay, so how you say? Okay, serious. We've been serious. Are we smiling? Okay. November 15th is our live and virtual event. It's the Wild and Waiting Intentional Dating That Leads to Marriage webinar.
Yeah, so sorry. I was having.
What we gotta tell the people about this?
Man.
Okay, so the Wild and Waiting Intentional Dating That Leads to Marriage webinar is this November 15th at 7 p.m. So we have limited spots available so we can keep the conversations intimate
And interesting.
About This Love.
How you guys doing? I'm Dale from the About This Love podcast host. This is my beautiful wife, Sherelle. She hosts the podcast with me as well. We wanted to do this webinar for those who are believers in Christ and really kind of want a biblical firm foundation in dating. We talk a lot about our journey through dating and marriage and what we did and how we kept things holy and how we kept ourselves from kind of being untainted by the world. I feel like in today's culture, a lot of believers, they tend to want to do what the world does, and that's not really the case for believers. And oftentimes you see that it doesn't really work out too well for you. So I feel like, God's given us the grace to really help people with that understanding.
and speak on these matters.
Yeah. And so the webinar is our way of wanting to connect and really have a one-on-one with those who ingest our podcast. We do have a guest speaker who's going to be sharing as well. So we're just really excited for those who are interested.
This is an event that you do not want to miss. This is first of many that we have planned to do in the near future. And like my husband has said, we talked so much about our journey and how we dated and how we got to the point where we were married. And so we thought that for those of you who are in the
cycle,
like different ones, and you just want to stop here, you believe in the Lord's word, but you just need a little bit of encouragement and just know that it actually works.
Yeah, yes, it does.
When you are intentional. So definitely check it out.
We're going to dialogue and have a good time. We'd be able to really connect with each other, register, because spots are limited.